Blu-ray disc can physically degrade over time. The disc layer that holds the data sensitive to humidity, temperature changes, and the scratches. A scratched Blu-ray in a 2026 is not replaceable at the store the same way as it was before. Having a backup copy of the discs you care about is just smart media management at this point. Hey guys, Alex is here. So today we're making a backup copy of a Blu-ray disc, either onto a new blank disc or as an ICO file on your computer. Later you can burn it to a disc or play directly. And the tool for this is the DVDFab Blu-ray Copy. It's specifically built for this workflow. It handles all the copy protection automatically. It gives you several different copy modes depending on exactly what you want to preserve. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so as usual, let's go to the DVDFab website. Select between Mac or Windows, all the links in the description below this video. And this time we want to go to the copy section, not the Reaper, but copy. So what we see here is a couple of different copy modes. So full disc is the complete copy. For example, every title, every audio track, every subtitle, all the menus, the output is identical to original in terms of content. If you want a full archive, this is it. Then we have the main movie strips everything down just to the main feature, so there is no menu, no extras. It's gonna be the smaller file that fits for a smaller disk. Then we have a clone. Clone is a bit-to-bit exact duplicate, so the output structure is identical as it was on the disk. Then we have the customize. Customize lets you handpick the titles, audio tracks, subtitles, everything that you want to include. Useful if the disk has a lot of information, but you actually don't need everything. So for today's video, we go on with the full disk mode. Let's just load it to our device. Once loaded, just hit the Add Source in the menu. DVDFab scans it, handles all the AACC and BD Plus decryption automatically, and loads all the disk information. So you see the titles, runtime, and available audio and subtitles track appear on your screen. If the disk has any Synavia watermarks, DVDFab flags it automatically. Synavia is an audio watermark that embeds in some Blu-ray discs and causes certain players to mute the audio of the playback. So if you see that alert, just enable the Synavia removal option before proceeding any further. Down at the bottom there is a Save To, which got few options. So you can save it to the ICO file, or later you can output it to a blank Blu-ray disc. Just make sure that the file size is matching with your disk size, so BD25 for a single layer and BD50 for a double layer Blu-ray. Once everything is selected, just hit the start. DVDFab reads the disc, builds the structure, and based on your decision, it burns it directly or writes an ICO file. Burn it to a physical disk, add some additional time on top of it. Okay, seems like everything is done and your Blu-ray backup is ready. Well, and that's the Blu-ray copy with the DVDFab. Full disc mode for a complete archive, ICO output for the flexibility, and the DVDFab handles all the copy protection in the background, so you don't have to think about it. If this video helped, subscribe and check out the rest of our series. We got Blu-ray ripping to MP4, 4K content and more. All the links in the description below. I hope that helped, and I see you in the next one.